All right, recently a user was asking the question about how they could copy and paste a transition. It's currently not possible to Command-C, Command-P a transition that's on the timeline and paste it onto another set of clips. So the first thing to know about a transition, go ahead and add the transition to your timeline here. And we're going to come up to our preferences real quick, and we're going to go into preferences. We're going to step into shortcuts, animation and effects, and you notice I've got this customized here to Control-Shift-T. The default, I believe, is just Shift-T. So add the last used transition. So keep that in mind. So the first things first, we've got to select all of our clips on the timeline here, and I will Command A to do that, and then I'm going to Control-Shift-T, and just like that, I've added that transition across the timeline. So that's a way of speeding up your workflow and getting around the fact that you can't copy and paste a transition per se. If you wanted to get rid of any of these individual transitions, like say at the end, just pop it off. You don't have to enter in with it either. There you go. So pretty simple. Hope that helps speed up your workflows.